Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hi children. I hope everyone are doing great. I welcome you all back to class 4 English. Before going to today's topic, I have a puzzle for you children. In this puzzle, you are going to find the word that relates to the nature. Pause the video and find the answer children. I hope everyone found the answer. Now check your answers children. Today we are going to learn a new lesson in literature. Let's go into the lesson. The lesson name is The Most Important Day by Helen Keller. Children, did you overcome any handicapped person? Yes. What is mean by handicapped children? The person who are having physical and mental disability are called handicapped person. So this story is about a girl who lost her vision and hearing in her small age, and she became a handicapped girl. Let us see how she overcame her problem and led a successful life. Before going into the lesson, we will see a small introduction about the author Helen Keller. Helen Keller was born on June 27, 1880. She was an American author, political activist and lecturer. She was the first deaf-blind person to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree. The story of Keller and her teacher Annie Sullivan was made famous by Keller's autobiography. Her birthplace in Alabama is now a museum and sponsors an annual Helen Keller's Day. Her June 27th birthday is commemorated as Helen Keller's Day in Pennsylvania, and in the century year of her birth was recognized by the presidential proclamation from US President Jimmy Carter. Now, let us see a life story of Helen Keller. The name of the story is The Most Important Day. A healthy baby girl was born in a small town in Alabama. Her parents were very happy and they loved her dearly and named her as Helen. What is the name of the baby girl children? Helen. She was born in Alabama. But at the age of 19 months old, one day the baby became ill, and day after day her fever stayed high. Everyone in the family were very sad, and they tried to help her to get better. But all they could say was, there is nothing more that they can do. They thought that the baby may not live. So what happened to the Helen children? Helen was suffering from severe fever. Her parents were very sad. And what they think about the baby? They thought that the baby may not live. Why children the baby may not live? Because she was suffering from fever. By God's grace she lives, but she was not the same after her illness. Something is very wrong with her. Her parents couldn't able to find what is wrong with her. At last the doctor found out what was wrong. The child could not see or hear. So children, after she was suffering from fever, she lost her hearing and vision. Although her parents gave a great care for her, She wasn't able to see or hear anymore. Children, let us see what happened in Helen's life after she lost her hearing and sight. The baby grew into a little girl. Her parents felt sorry for her. Helen often cried and held on to her mother. Though Helen could not hear or see, she was a bright little girl. Some people thought that Helen could not learn anything. They said Helen's mother to just send her away somewhere for learning. Her mother did not agree to send her somewhere. The problem is the parents don't know how to reach her. She was locked up inside herself. So, children, after Helen lost her hearing and sight, now she is physically handicapped child. She can't go anywhere for learning. Her mother is also not interested in sending her somewhere for learning. Helen began to grow wild and she could not let anyone comb her hair. Her clothes were always dirty. She was often angry at everyone. Sometimes she often got upset and lay down on the floor and kicked her feet. Children, what you understand from this paragraph? Yes, Helen was a handicapped girl, so she was angry often at everyone and she does not like to do anything at all. She was crying all the time. Her parents were very sad. Why, children, Helen's parents are very sad? Yes, because Helen is growing as a wild child. So, they were very sad about Helen's behavior. Shall we see what Helen's parents are going to do for her? Because of her wild behavior, her parents thought that they should find a teacher for her. They met her young teacher, Miss Sullivan, and told her about the Helen. She agreed to help Helen to learn to see the world. So, children, tell me what Helen parents decided? Yes, Helen parents decided to find her teacher for her. For that, whom they met? They met Miss Sullivan, a young teacher, and requested her to take care of Helen as her behavior was not good. Teacher also agreed Helen's parent. One day, Miss Sullivan came to Helen's house. When Helen's teacher met Helen for the first time, the child behaved very badly, but she gave Helen a doll and Miss Sullivan spelled DOLL, the word with her fingers, into Helen's hand. Miss Sullivan spelled the word with her fingers into Helen's hand. She made the letters with special hand signs. Helen copied her teacher, but she did not understand what she was doing. She did not know that she was spelling a word or even that word existed. So, children, how Miss Sullivan started teaching Helen? Through hand signs. What is mean by hand sign, children? Yes, hand sign is the method that is used for handicapped children to learn and understand. Here, as Ellen lost her hearing and sight, her teacher is helping her to understand the letters by writing through fingers in Helen's hand. Helen liked Miss Sullivan. She was strict but kind. Helen learned to spell in this way a great many words. Her teacher had been with her several weeks before she understood that everything had a name. Children, how Helen was being before the teacher come? Yes, she was being a wild child. But after teacher taught Helen with love and patience, now what happened? She started learning many words and gradually she changed into a good girl now. Let us see what happened next. One day her teacher made Helen put her hand into running water. Then she spelled water. She understood water means something wet running over her hand. She understood that words are the most important things in the world. Children, after Helen became a good girl, one day what the teacher did? She put Helen's hand into the running water and spelled water through hand sign. On that day, what Helen understood? Yes, if something is wet, it is water. And she learnt words are most important things in the world. Tell me, children, do you agree that words are important for us? Yes, because we can easily communicate through the help of words. So, words are most important in our life. Children, shall we see how many words Helen learnt on that day? Okay, children, come let us see. She learned 30 words like mother, father, sister, teacher, etc. These are the words were also among the 30 words. After Miss Sullivan taught Helen the secrets of language, now Helen found meaning in everything. Children, now what happened? Helen started learning many different words and she also learnt the secret of language and now she found meaning for every words. It would have been difficult to find a happier child than Helen. As she lay in her bed at the close of that eventful day, she thought about the joy it had brought her and for the first time. Before the teacher comes, how was the Helen, children? Yes, Helen was being a wild and sad child who always used to cry at her mother. Yes, Helen always used to cry at her mother. She was always being a sad child. But after teacher taught her the words, now she was thinking about the joy for the first time in her life. By the end of August, in 6 short months, Helen knew 625 words. By the time she was 16, Helen could speak well enough to go to college. Helen Keller, the little girl, became one of the history's most famous women. So, children, after 6 months, Helen learned how many words? Yes, 625 words within short period of time. Whether Helen started speaking, children? Yes, Helen could speak well enough to go to college. At what age she spoke enough to go to college? At the age of 16. So, children, even though Helen became a handicapped girl, slowly, with the help of her teacher, she started learning and she became one of the history's most famous women. After she became famous woman, later she traveled around the world, speaking in more than 25 countries in the 5 major continents. Wherever she went, she brought new courage to millions of people. Her teacher, Miss Sullivan, changed her life, and the day when she came into her life represents the most important day for Helen. So, children, Helen became a great girl. She started traveling many countries. Which day is the most important day for Helen? Yes, the day when her teacher came into her life is the most important day for Helen. Children, what is the moral of the story? Yes, you should never give up in anything. What is the name of Helen's teacher, children? Miss Sullivan. Miss Sullivan always used to tell Helen, keep on beginning and failing. Each time you fail, start all over again. You will grow stronger until you succeed. These are the words which Helen teacher said her that made her to read and speak even after she lost her sight and hearing. Children, here is a quote for you. Everything has its wonders, even darkness and silence. And I learn whatever state I may be in, therein to be content. So, this is one of the quote said by Helen Keller. Children, shall we have a small recap of the story? Yes. Helen Keller was a small girl who was born in Alabama. She grew up in a world of darkness. She lost her hearing and sight when she was still a baby. Her family thought that her life was over. But everything changed when Helen's parents hired her a teacher, Miss Sullivan. The most important day in Helen's life was the day she met her teacher. Helen was spoiled and lacked discipline. She could not read or recognize the objects. Sullivan was able to connect with Helen on an emotional level. But most importantly, she taught her to identify the objects through sign language and to read and write. Because of the time Sullivan spent with Helen, she was able to grow up and lead a full life. Helen went to college and earned a Bachelor of Arts degree and became a most history's famous woman. Children, I hope you enjoyed and understood the story. Okay children, we will see you in the next video. Thank you.